Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right on Facebook? Posting consistently, sharing what you know, but it feels like you're speaking into a void. You aren't alone. I've been there too. Today, I want to pull back the curtain on how the algorithm actually works so we can stop shouting into the void and start actually connecting with the people we're here to help. The first thing we have to realize is that Facebook's main goal is to keep people talking to each other. When we post purely educational, fun facts or business updates, the system often flags that as broadcast content. It's not that your information isn't valuable, it's that the algorithm is looking for a spark. If a post doesn't invite a friend to chime in, Facebook assumes it's a one-way street and stops showing it to people. Instead of broadcasting, let's look at how we can start inviting. It's a small shift from talking at our audience to opening a door for them to walk through. So, where do some of these conversations actually happen? Usually, it's in groups. Think of your personal page like a digital front porch, but groups are the town square. I always recommend finding 3 to 5 groups where your specific community hangs out. If you're in insurance, you might look for local new neighbor groups or small business forums. The goal here isn't to get clients, it's to be the most helpful person in the room. When we answer questions and share our expertise freely, we aren't just experts, we become a trusted part of that community. Let's look at how we can rewrite a post together to make it more of a conversation. We've all seen the standard post. Fact: most policies don't cover internal fraud. It's good information, but it's a bit of a dead end. Let's try a collaborative approach instead. We could say, I was reviewing a policy today and realized something that most small business owners don't know, and it worried me. If your bookkeeper stole $20,000, would you be covered? Most of the time, the answer is no. Does anyone here actually know if their policy includes employee dishonesty coverage? Notice the shift? We're sharing a real life concern and asking for their input. Instead of a call me call to action, try something low pressure, such as drop an emoji in the comments if you want me to help you find that line item in your policy. We're offering a hand, not a sales pitch. Now, staying this intentional every day can be a lot of work. That's why I like to use a simple system to help me brainstorm. I built a workflow where I can take one concern I heard from a client this week, pop it into a tool, and have it help me frame for different audiences. It helps me turn one light bulb moment into a Facebook post, a group discussion question, and a quick email. It's not about hacking the system, it's about making sure our best advice actually reaches the people who need it, without us spending all day behind a keyboard. If you're looking to grow your business without losing that human touch, I'd love to help you streamline that. And if you'd like to see the specific prompts I use to keep my posts feeling helpful and human, let me know in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.